Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a Glam crystal display stand and a Glam crystal display container. So what you're going to need, you'll need some of this crystal diamond chain from Efavormart and Teardrop pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these glass candle holder plates. You'll need one of these glass lidded candy dishes. I have a round mirror, which is an optional item. I may or may not be using this. We'll see as we go along. And then I have two glass candle holders, and these are taper candle holders that I picked up at Goodwill, but you can find glass candle holders, taper candle holders at Dollar Tree. I have some of this peel and stick gemstones, and I picked these up at Walmart. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, or if you're going to be using these items for an extended period of time, you could use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete these beautiful decorative items, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam crystal display pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they are so easy to make. Super versatile. You could use them to display candy, makeup brushes, perfume bottles, jewelry, pretty much anything you like to use to display in them. They're super versatile. Let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.